everyone, Joana here. Welcome to my 10-minute Pilates burn series. I have a back workout just for you. Let's get started. Okay, here we go. On your knees, we're gonna start with a standing swim. I'm gonna just put on my timer. It's the same intervals, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, 10 exercises, and we'll be done. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start in 15 seconds with the standing swim. Palms facing each other's. Neutral spine position. You can do this on your knees or standing. It's up to you. And now here we go. It's inhale up, exhale rotate and squeeze back. Inhale up, rotate, exhale back. This is a great warm up and stretch for the back, for the whole upper body. Inhale, exhale, rotate and squeeze back. Every time go a little deeper into the stretch. Exhale. Last rep. Great, okay. We're gonna be doing pull downs. We don't have weights, so we have to squeeze your back muscles. Here we go. Okay, go slowly. Okay, it's not fast, it's slowly under control. Squeeze. Intentional move. Squeeze your back muscles. Hold. You can even hold for a second there. And rest. Okay. We're gonna lean forward a little bit. Palms facing to the ceiling. We're gonna be doing pulses up. You should feel that in your upper back, triceps as well. Don't put too much pressure on your neck. Keep breathing. Seconds left here. And rest. Okay, well done. Down on the mat for the Superman series. Extend your arms, extend your legs. We have inhale, lift up and hold. Exhale down. Inhale up and hold. Exhale down. Lighten your arms, lighten your legs. Hold there. Release. With control. Don't go too fast. Keep breathing. Okay, brilliant. We're gonna add twists. Same thing, Superman with twists. And here we go. Inhale up, exhale, twist and reach back. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale, twist and reach back. Inhale up, Exhale down. With control. And rest. Okay, so release and rest. We're gonna go for a swim now. Okay, moving arms and legs. Just keep breathing, stay focused. Stay with me. Almost done. And release. You can stretch back in child's pose just to release the tension from your back. Yay! And now pulsing arms and legs toward each other's. I know it's hard. This routine is all focused for the back muscles, lower upper back. Everything's on fire. You want strong core, you want strong back. You have to do the work. Keep pushing. Almost done. And rest. Whew. Well done. Relax. Gonna go for a swan variation. Okay, hands just beside your shoulders. Now inhale up, press up, and release with exhale. Inhale up, press and stretch. Exhale down with control. And rest. Great. We have forward dog, tabletop position, opposite leg and arm, and we're gonna be holding here. Just hold, focus on one point, keep breathing, think for something nice. Get ready. We're gonna switch leg and arm and switch. Hold and breathe. 10 seconds left. You can do this. Stay with me. And rest. Nicely done. We're gonna finish with cat-cow stretch. So, tabletop position, hands below your shoulders, knees below your hips. And now, inhale, look up, arch your lower back. And exhale, chin to chest, round your back, tummy in. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale. And rest. Well done, everyone. Great. You just finished your 10-minute back routine. Thank you very much for joining me. Be good, feel good, and don't forget, stay active. Of course, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tell all of your friends to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you next time.
His presence don't really come for free. Your paychecks don't mean that much